Hello students, today I am going to demonstrate an experiment on electricity which has been asked in 2019 in ISC 2019 practical examination. It has been asked. This is the question number 2. So you can see here, this experiment determines the resistance per unit length of the given wire. You are provided with a 100 centimeter long and uniform metallic wire AB stretched to a meter scale on a wooden board, which we have named as potentiometer. If you have watched my previous video, then in that I have shown various instruments which are used in the electricity experiments of ISC. So in that I have shown you a potentiometer AB. So here it is a 100 centimeter long and uniform metallic wire AB attached to a meter scale. This is the potentiometer AB. Then B part, these are the instruments which will be used in this experiment. A resistance box of range 0 to 10 ohm, ammeter 0 to 1 ampere, voltmeter V of 0 to 3 volt, a jockey J, a plug key K, a 4 volt DC power supply E, which we have named as eliminator when I have demonstrated the instruments, and few connecting wires. Then from here you can see, here there is a circuit diagram is given in the question paper. You have to connect everything according to the circuit diagram. From end A of the potentiometer, you will take out how many wire? 2 wire. One wire is this and other is this. So this one wire will be connected to the positive of eliminator. Then negative of eliminator is connected to one end of resistance box. In resistance box, there is no positive and negative. From the other binding terminal of resistance box, you will connect to the one end of key. And then from key, other end of key, you will connect to the ammeter. And then from negative of ammeter, you will connect to the 100 centimeter mark. While the other wire which you have taken out, this wire which you have taken out, that will be connected to the voltmeter positive. From here it will be voltmeter negative, and from voltmeter positive it will be connected to the jockey. So this circuit diagram, these connections I am going to show you. So you can see here the circuit diagram. Here this is AB is a potentiometer. This is the end A and this is the end B of the potentiometer. It's clear. Then I have arranged, you can see here in one side of this there is eliminator, resistance box, plug key and ammeter. So I have kept everything in the same way. You can see here, this is the eliminator, this is the resistance box, this is the plug key and then ammeter. While in the other side of the potentiometer AB, you can see here, in the other side of potentiometer AB, this is the potentiometer AB. This you can see here. In the other side of potentiometer AB, there is the voltmeter. So here I have kept the voltmeter. It is clear. Now everything has been kept. This here, it has been asked to keep the DC power supply at 4 volt. So it has been adjusted at the 4 volt. This has been adjusted at the 4 volt. Now you can see here. So now I am going to make the electrical connections. So you can see here, this is a bunch of wire. And here in this bunch of wire, there is a wire which is of longer length as compared to other. You can see here, one wire is longer in length. That longer wire will be connected in the jockey. So that I am taking out here. That wire I am taking out. This is the longer wire which will be used for will be connected in the jockey. It is clear. Now these are the other wires. Now how will you make the connection? So already I have told that from end A you will take out how many wires? From end A you will take out 2 wires. You can see here from end A 2 wires have been taken out. One goes in the positive of eliminator while the other goes into the voltmeter. One in the eliminator and other in the voltmeter negative. It is clear. Now see here, how will you take it out? How will you connect it? So already I have told in the previous video, you will give only half turn. It is clear. And connection should be very, very tight. So see here, here you can see, this is the potentiometer and this is the end A. So here I will connect 2 wires at the end A and by giving the half turn. So I am making the connections here. You can see here. Now you can see here only half turn of wire has been connected to the binding terminal. It is clear. Only half turn has been given to the connecting wire. Now one wire will be connected to the positive of eliminator. So that I am connecting. Here in the left side, this is the positive, and in the right, in here this is the positive and that one is the negative. This terminal is positive while this terminal is negative. So it will be connected to the positive. So that I am connecting here. Then so here everywhere you will give half turn to the connecting wire to connect with the binding terminal. Now from the negative, one end goes to the resistance box. One end of the resistance box. One end will go to the one terminal of resistance box. There is no positive and negative in the resistance box. So you can see here. Here it is connected to this, and then it has been connected here. You can see, if you see here, here there are, this is the binding terminal. So the wire will be connected in between these two. In between these two, in this gap, it will be connected. It is clear. So I am showing you here. It is connected in this gap, and then from the other end you take out one wire and connect with the one end of the key, one end of the plug key. It is clear. There are 2 binding terminal, so you take out one wire from here and it will be connected with the one terminal of plug key. So you can see here. So once again I am showing all the connections. 2 wires have been taken out from the end A. These are the 2 wires. It's clear. One wire goes into the positive of eliminator. Here it is connected to the positive of eliminator. From the negative of eliminator, this wire has been taken out and it is connected to one end of resistance box. From the other end of the resistance box, one wire is connected to the plug key, one binding terminal of plug key. From other binding terminal of plug key, it is connected to the negative of emitter. It will be connected to the negative of emitter, that you will remember. It is clear. And then from positive of emitter, it is connected to the end B. Then other wire which have been taken out here, this wire which have been taken out here, it is connected to the negative of voltmeter. You can see here, it is connected to the negative binding terminal of voltmeter. And from positive binding terminal, with the help of long wire, you can see here, a jockey is connected. This jockey is connected with the help of long wire. Now after this, what will you do? So that I am going to read the question paper, because we will do everything as asked in the question paper. So you can see here, second thing is, close the key K and take out 1 ohm plug from the resistance box, so that the and R equals to 1 ohm, and ensure that all other plugs in the resistance box are tightly closed. So see here, you take out 1 ohm plug from the resistance box, that I have taken out. All other plugs should be tightly fixed. It's clear. That's why I am exerting, pressing it hardly, so that all the plug keys are tightly fixed. It's clear. Then you see here, place the jockey J at the point C on the wire AC, such that AC equals to 75. So you can see here, this is the end A, and C is where? C is where? In between A and B. In between A and B. So that this length AC equals to 75. That I am showing you. Where is the 75? So you can see here, jockey touched at this point, such that AC equals to 75. You can see here, AC, this jockey is touched at 75 centimeter mark. You can see here, this is touched at, its knife edge is touching to the wire in front of 75 centimeter mark. It is clear. So that this length of potentiometer wire, it is 75. It is clear. So AC equals to 75. The reading of the place the jockey J at the point C on the wire such that AC equals to 75. The reading of ammeter and voltmeter must be within its range. That is, ammeter reading should not be more than 1 ampere and voltmeter reading should not be more than 3 volt. It should be within range. Read and record the readings of the ammeter and voltmeter, that is V and I, with proper units. So what will you do? You have introduced 1 ohm plug here in the RB, then you touch the jockey at the 75 centimeter mark and record the ammeter reading and voltmeter reading. It is clear. You will record. So see here, if you see here, this side circuit, it is a closed circuit. So as soon as you will introduce 1 ohm here, and close the key K, ammeter will start giving the reading. So first of all, you will read the ammeter reading. Then what will you do? You touch the jockey at 75 centimeter mark and record the voltmeter reading. And how will you note down in your answer notebook? So see here, you will make 3 columns that I am going to show you. One is resistance box R in ohm, then I in ampere and V in volt. We will note down in the divisions and then multiplied by the least count. As we already know, we have done in the demonstration of instruments that least count of ammeter is 0.02 ampere, means value of one small division is this, and value of one small division here is 0.05 volt. It's clear. So first I will take the reading. When R equals to 1 ohm, then what is the reading of the ammeter and voltmeter? So you can see here, at this instant, this plug key is open. So we will close the plug key because already I have taken out 1 ohm there. So as soon as you will insert the plug key, what will happen? Ammeter will start giving the reading. What is the emitter reading? If you see here, 0.2, 0.4 means 20 divisions, and then it is 25, 26, 27 division, or you can say it is 28 division. 28 division, it is fluctuating. So 28 division, it is clear, 28 division, emitter reading is 28 division. Now you touch the jockey at 75 centimeter mark. Here I have touched. You can see here, it is touched at 75 centimeter mark. It is clear. It is touching at 75 centimeter mark. What is the voltmeter reading? So you can see here voltmeter reading. Here up to 1 volt, there are 20 divisions, then 30, and then how many divisions? 33 divisions. 33 divisions. So emitter reading is 28 division and 28 division, and it is 33 division. Here it is 33. In the first time it was 33, so that I am writing here. So see here, you will write down here. How will you write? Here R equals to 1 ohm. It was 28 division, 28 into 0.02, so it will be equal to 0.56 ampere. And here it was 33 into 0.05, so it is equals to 1.65 volt. 1.65 volt. Now see here, after this what will you do? So you see the question paper. Here it is given, next point, repeat the experiment and obtain 4 more values of R equals to 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm. Each time record the reading R, V and I. Ensure that jockey should be always kept at the same position C such that AB equals to 75 centimeter in all 5 sets of readings. Means what will you do? Now you will introduce 2 ohm here. After introducing 2 ohm here, all the other keys should be tightly fixed. You read the emitter reading and record the voltmeter reading by touching the jockey at how many centimeter mark? 75 centimeter mark. So what is the emitter reading? It is 24. It is 24 division. Voltmeter reading, you can see, first you touch at the 75 centimeter. Here it has been touched at 75 centimeter. What is the voltmeter reading? So voltmeter reading is 29. Up to 1 volt it is 20 division and 9 more division, 29. Voltmeter is 29 and it is 24. Here it is 24. It's clear. So that I will record here. So this is at 2 ohm. Now I am going to do the experiment for 3 ohm. When resistance box, there is how much resistance? 3 ohm here. See here once again emitter reading. Emitter reading is how many divisions? It is 23 divisions. It is 23 divisions. You can see here. It is 23 divisions, and voltmeter reading touching the jockey at 75 centimeter mark. You can see here the jockey is touching at 75 centimeter mark, and voltmeter reading is how much? Here 26. It is 26. So voltmeter reading is 26 division, while here it is how much? Here it is 22 division. 22 and 26. So this I have noted here. Now for 4 ohm. 4 ohm you will take out these 2 plugs which are of 2 ohm and 2 ohm. Rest of the plugs should be tightly fixed. See the emitter reading. Emitter reading is 19 division. Up to 0.2 there are 10 division and then 9 more division. or 19, or yes, this is 19. And then a voltmeter reading. Voltmeter reading, you can see here it is 24 division. So it is 19 division and 24 division. So that I am going to write here. 19 division means 0.38, because you will multiply with 0.02, and then 24 division. So it was how much? I have to check. Yes, it was 24 division. 24 division. So 24 into 1.05, that is 1.20 volt. 1.20 volt. Now, in the same way, we will do for 5 ohm. So what will you do? How will you? Here, you will not take out 2 to 1. You take out 5 ohm plug here. There is 5 ohm plug. You take out 5 ohm plug here. Rest of the plug should be tightly fixed. See the emitter reading. So emitter reading you will find here how much? This is 10, 15, 16, 17. It is 17 division. And voltmeter reading is how much? Voltmeter reading you will find